Alright guys, so today we're making some poutine. If you ever had it before, it's Canadian meal, it's delicious. Essentially fries, cheese curds, and gravy. So let's get cooking. First thing we're going to do is add our butter to start our gravy. Once that butter gets melted, then we'll add in the flour for that. While the butter's heating up, we're going to get our fries cut. We want to throw that in some water to soak. Okay, so while the butter's still heating up, let's go ahead and make our starch mixture. It's 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of water. What would you call this stuff? Maybe it's called a slurry. We don't know. Whatever. But it makes it so your gravy thickens up. Alright, when that's all mixed up, it just looks like milk. Alright, so while that's going, let's go ahead and start making some french fries. Alright guys, so the oil is about 300 degrees. And the one thing I found with french fries is you want to cook them twice. So you cook them in 300 degrees oil the first time, and take them out, that way it cooks through the middle. Then you turn it up to about 400 degrees, and flash fry them again. So that crispy outside with the soft inside. Just need to cook them for about a couple minutes the first time around. Alright, the butter's melted, so let's go ahead and add, this is only a 1/4 cup of flour. And what we want to do here is just get this to a golden brown. You don't want to burn it because that'll ruin your whole gravy. So mix this up. Once you can start smelling it, then it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. Alright guys, so while this is cooking, go ahead and leave me a comment, like the channel, subscribe. Let me know what I'm doing. Also, if you've ever had poutine before, let me know what you think about the gravy, about the french fries and cheese curds. Alright, so let's take these french fries out. Alright, so notice how on the french fries, they don't really look like they've even been cooked much. They're just soft. It's kind of like boiling your french fries first. The only problem with boiling them first is when you transfer them, they start to break. So I just cook them on a low temperature first. Alright, so this is looking like it's pretty much ready for the broth in here. What we want to do is we want to add about 20 ounces of beef broth and 10 ounces of chicken broth. Let's get this back up to a boil. Alright, so the gravy's ready for the cornstarch mixture in there. And I usually add just about half of it the first time, see how much it thickens up. Then I'll come back and add more if it needs it. And this time we're also going to add the pepper. You want to pepper to taste. I really like mine pretty peppery, so I add quite a bit. Guys, and you can make this in a much easier way if you want. You can throw some french fries in a bag in the air fryer and get a package of brown gravy and throw that in there and call it good. It's really easy. I like mine with fresh ingredients, so that's why I did it this way. And it's football season, so you know we're drinking out of a football cup. Alright, sprinkle some salt on here. Alright, so let's go ahead and plate this thing. I like to make a layer of fries. Put some cheese curds on there. I'm going to put some more on top of it. Alright, then top that with some gravy. Alright, let's dig in. Top. So good. Remember guys, smash the like and subscribe button. If you've had poutine before, let me know if there's anything different I should do. This is delicious. Thanks for watching the video.